I'm Andjela. I am 26 years old. I am a student of architecture. I'm currently in Prague studying my master degree. I'm from Serbia. In Serbia I live in Belgrade, in the capital, but currently I'm in Prague.
And also I would tell her to be maybe just a little selfish sometimes.
Oh. Sonja. Sonja is really usually when you meet her, she's really calm person. She has this steady voice, slow voice, but she is very emotional. She's really always there for you when you need her. She's a really good friend. So, I mean, I don't really have anything else to describe her. She's a really good person. I like how she's always pragmatic when she's thinking. She has really weird ideas, and the way she's thinking is really weird sometimes. And she has a manner of speaking. I don't know if you've noticed, but in Serbia, in Serbian language, she has this really old, how do I say it, prime and proper always, but when she says something's really quirky, it sounds really funny, you know? Actually, it was really, how do I say it? It was accidental, actually. We met at the faculty. We didn't know each other that well, but our circle of friends somehow got together, so we made a bigger circle of friends, and that's how we got to know each other. And throughout the years, we got to really, hang out, and we've been through some really tough times together and through some really good times together. So this is how it became our friendship grew stronger because of all those situations that we've been together. I don't know. Oh, she can be nagging sometimes. Sometimes when doesn't go her way, she will usually tell it to you, oh wait, you have to do it like this, and I'm like, okay, calm down, we're gonna do it. So yeah. But she's usually right when she says. I don't think everybody knows that she's really emotional. She has this very stern, how do you say it, appearance, but she's really emotional. She's really, cares about her friends a lot, so yeah. I have so many superpowers that I want to have, but I don't know which one I do have, so maybe, I don't know, I think I'm a good listener. I'm proud of where I am right now. Yeah, I'm proud of how I got to where I am right now. Maybe onion, because I hate the smell of the onion, but I love onions. Yeah. I wish I didn't expect anything from a friend, but I usually do expect a lot of things. I expect people to say when I make a mistake or when I do something. I just, wish that, Sonja, for example. Sonja is really good at saying stuff, what's on her mind. So that is why she's a good friend of mine. Yeah. So I expect people to always be upfront with me. Everything I do, I always need, it's always revolving around friends. I don't know, everything I do, I always usually go to a friend to either I don't know how to say it, friends are 90% of my life, basically. Yeah, this is what makes me, basically. I don't know. Yes, I do. I usually always keep my time for them, even though I'm very busy. I always try to adjust my time for them.